Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create manufacturing order from the bill of material screen. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here a module Dev create manufacturing order from BON. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to manufacturing app and see here this menu of product. Go to bill of material. Go to any one like a tabletop and see here this button for create manufacturing order. Now click on. So see here tabletop for create manufacturing order. Again back and see here this one is already created, but I did create another, so display here total 2 manufacturing order. Now click on this button, so display here tabletop and also display in form, product name, quantity, bill of material is tabletop, and also display below this component. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.